Oh yeah, over here you gotta get this screw out. See, then this whole thing lifts out. See how easy this lifts out? You're gonna need some heavy repairs on this. Down to basics. You don't need this on there anymore. This reminds me when I was wrapping cars for a living before I got into this computer stuff. You know? Vinyl car wrap, tough biz. And this shit's tight. Oh, what else can I take out of here? Oh, I need my screwdriver. Get this out. Notice I like working on this screwdriver. Gentle work. I gotta be careful on this. What the hell is going on here? It ate my... Let go. What the hell? See if I can... Look at that, you broke my tool. How'd that get wedged in there? You know, this computer work was tough, but I've been educated in it. Many years of work. Some people don't know this technique. They'll criticize it. It's tough sometimes. Tough when you're a butcher, that's for sure. You know what I mean? Butchering ain't like it used to be. You could butcher a job in 5 minutes in the old days. Now it takes hours.